Welcome to the language world. Today we are learning 25 most common verbs. Let's get started. To be,
كان
to have,
لدى
to do,
فعل
to go,
ذهب
to come,
جاء
to see,
رأى
to know,
عرف
to think,
فكر
to say,
قال
to want,
أراد
to give,
أعطى
to take,
أخذ
to use,
استخدم
to find,
وجد
to tell,
قال
to work,
عمل
to call,
اتصل
to feel,
شعر
to try,
حاول
to ask,
سأل
to need,
احتاج
to become,
أصبح
to leave,
ترك
to put,
وضع
to mean,
عنا
to understand,
فهم
to speak,
تكلم
to listen,
استمع
to play,
لعب
to start,
بدأ
to show,
أظهر
to live,
عاش
to like,
أحب
to love,
أحب
to change,
غير
to meet,
التقى
to learn,
تعلم
to believe,
آمن
to run,
ركض
to help,
ساعد
to watch,
شاهد
to wait,
انتظر
to remember,
تذكر
to stay,
بقي
to buy,
اشترى
to sell,
باع
to pay,
دفع
to lose,
خسر
to win,
فاز
to create.
خلق
Quiz time.
اتصل اتصل استخدم استخدم عرف عرف أعطى احتاج احتاج تكلم تكلم اشترى اشترى لعب لعب أحب أحب تعلم تعلم فهم فهم
Leave your answer in the comments. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel to learn more languages. See you in the next videos.